Welcome back to where we dive into the latest and greatest in motorcycles, reviews, news, and everything in between. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the thrilling content we have in store for you. And if you're returning, we can't thank you enough for your continued support. Let's get started with today's deep dive into a bike that's making waves in the world of sport touring motorcycles, the 2026 Yamaha FJR1300ES. The FJR1300 has long been a favorite among sport touring riders, and for good reason. Yamaha's combination of performance, comfort, and technology has made the FJR1300 a staple in the lineup. But as the years go on, Yamaha continues to evolve and innovate. In 2026, they've taken it a step further with the FJR1300ES, refining an already exceptional machine and making it even better. Today, we'll take an in-depth look at the 2026 FJR1300ES and examine the updates, what's new, what's improved, and why this bike remains a standout choice in the sport touring category. The Yamaha FJR1300 first hit the market in 2001, and since then, it has undergone several revisions, each one more advanced than the last. Originally, it came with a carbureted engine and a traditional design that catered to the touring enthusiast. Over the years, Yamaha updated the FJR with the latest in fuel injection, modern suspension systems, and more advanced electronics. But, in 2026, Yamaha went all in with a performance-driven, tech-laden iteration of the FJR1300 that is bound to blow minds. Let's start with what's under the hood. The 2026 FJR1300ES is powered by the same legendary 1298cc inline-4 engine that we've come to know and love from Yamaha's sport touring lineup. But for 2026, there's been some fine-tuning. This engine now produces around 145 horsepower and 99 lb-ft of torque. While those numbers aren't necessarily groundbreaking when compared to sport bikes, the real magic lies in how that power is delivered. The engine offers strong, linear performance that's perfect for long-distance touring without feeling too aggressive, but still providing plenty of thrills when the road opens up. One notable update is the refinement of the engine management system, which improves fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. This translates to better range, which is always a plus for touring riders who want to cover long distances without constantly stopping for fuel. The FJR1300ES continues to feature the 6-speed manual transmission with an optional quick shifter system, which makes shifting smoother and more intuitive, especially when you're leaning into corners or making quick passes on highways. But the real star of the show when it comes to the 2026 model is the electronically controlled suspension. The FJR1300ES uses Yamaha's YCCT, Yamaha chip-controlled throttle system, which has been paired with a sophisticated suspension system called the Smart Suspension technology. This allows you to fine-tune the ride for different conditions, whether you're riding solo, two-up, or fully loaded with luggage. The suspension adjusts in real time to absorb bumps, reduce dive under braking, and maintain stability at high speeds, giving you an incredibly smooth ride no matter what the road throws at you. If you're the type of rider who enjoys both twisty backroads and highway cruising, the new suspension system in the FJR1300ES is a game-changer. It adapts quickly, providing a plush ride on long stretches, while still giving you the handling and confidence you need when carving corners. Now, let's talk tech. Yamaha has outfitted the 2026 FJR1300ES with a range of cutting-edge features designed to enhance the riding experience. The first major upgrade is the new 7-inch, full-color TFT display, which replaces the older, more basic LCD screen. This screen is vibrant, customizable, and offers clear visibility in all lighting conditions, which is essential when you're touring in various environments. The display shows key information like speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position, but it also offers navigation integration, Bluetooth connectivity for your smartphone, and even weather updates. So, whether you're following your favorite playlist or getting real-time road alerts, Yamaha has ensured that you stay connected on the road. Also new for 2026 is the addition of a full suite of rider aids. The FJR1300ES comes with a ride-by-wire throttle cruise control and, of course, Yamaha's Advanced Motorcycle Stability Control (AMSC), which works alongside traction control ABS, and the electronic suspension system to keep you in control in nearly every situation. The cruise control is especially helpful for long-distance riding, reducing rider fatigue and making highway miles fly by. One of the things that has always made the FJR 1300 a top choice for long-distance riders is its comfort. For 2026, Yamaha has made sure that comfort is still a top priority, but with an even greater focus on adaptability. The ergonomics are fully adjustable, the seat height can be changed, the handlebars are positioned to reduce rider fatigue, and the windscreen can be adjusted to reduce wind buffeting. Speaking of wind protection, the FJR 1300ES also comes with Yamaha's new wind deflector system, which is designed to offer enhanced aerodynamics. This reduces wind noise, making for a quieter, more relaxing ride, especially on the highway. For riders planning on hitting the open road for extended periods, this focus on comfort is a major selling point. Whether you're just out for a weekend ride or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the FJR 1300ES is built for comfort from start to finish. Let's take a moment to appreciate the design of the 2026 FJR 1300ES. Yamaha has opted for a sleek, modern aesthetic that balances sporty and touring elements. The aggressive front end, with its sharp LED headlights and aerodynamic lines, gives the FJR 1300ES a more dynamic look compared to its earlier iterations. The new paint schemes for 2026 are eye-catching, with options like the new metallic silver and Yamaha's signature deep blue. Combined with the smooth, flowing bodywork, the FJR 1300ES has a refined, premium look that mirrors its performance and features. Safety is another area where Yamaha has made significant strides with the 2026 FJR 1300ES. The bike is equipped with an updated suite of safety features to ensure that both experienced and novice riders can feel confident. First, the FJR 1300ES comes with Yamaha's advanced traction control system, which adjusts power delivery to the rear wheel to help prevent skidding, especially in slippery conditions. There's also a high-quality, multi-level ABS system that ensures maximum braking performance, even in emergency situations. And let's not forget about Yamaha's upgraded cornering ABS, which is designed to help you maintain control while braking through corners, a feature that's especially useful for sport touring riders who frequently encounter twisty roads. Now that we've covered the performance, comfort, and tech, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Yamaha FJR 1300ES comes in at a price point that's competitive for a premium sport touring bike. While the base model starts around $17,999, and, if you opt for the fully equipped version with all the bells and whistles, you can expect to pay a little more. But considering the amount of tech, performance, and long-distance comfort this bike offers, it's definitely a solid investment for anyone who enjoys touring or just wants a high-performance motorcycle that does it all. So, what do we think of the 2026 Yamaha FJR 1300ES? Yamaha has once again proven why the FJR 1300 series is a top choice for sport touring enthusiasts. With upgraded performance, a host of new technological features, and a focus on comfort and safety, the 2026 model is more than just an evolution. It's a true revolution in the sport touring category. Whether you're an experienced rider or new to the world of long-distance touring, the 2026 Yamaha FJR 1300ES is a bike that's worth considering. It's a perfect balance of power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology that makes every ride an experience to remember. Well, that's all we have for today's review of the 2026 Yamaha FJR 1300ES. I hope you found this review helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below with your thoughts on the FJR 1300ES. Would you consider buying it, or is there another bike that's caught your eye? Let's talk about it. Before you go, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our future content on the latest bikes, reviews, and motorcycle news. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe.